Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Xfile and today I'll be retracing one of my high school drawings.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock!
Though this is my first time doing something like this,
Not sure how well my voice sounds at the moment.
not exactly using any high quality microphone, just an headset with a microphone attached to it.
What?
Hopefully you guys enjoy the video and the process that I go through to do this. Without further ado, the first character that I'll be retracing is the yellow hair one, since
Indeed, a wise choice.
he doesn't have that much features to retrace. First, I'll start with his hair. I made separate folders. As you can see, this one, his name is there, first folder, retrace. I'm using a G pen, brush size 7.8, yeah.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of
Nice. The first one is finished. Now to create another layer. Okay. Now for the other guy. The hair might pose a problem. I'm gonna make this one as a vector layer. Oh, to get a vector layer, the way I do it is that I erased the first layer, which was the raster layer, then delete it. Yeah, I delete it, then integrate the vector layer. Reasons for using vector layer, if I didn't mention it earlier, is that the lines are more easier to adjust and manipulate. On raster layer, you can't really do that. It's mainly just used for coloring. Okay, now for this guy. And there you have it, the retraced version of my characters. I'll be putting in the flat colors in the next video since it's almost a fucking hour. It took me half an hour to actually trace this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be making part 2 of this where I add in the flats and do the shading, coloring. Shouldn't be too long. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy. As I said, you don't have to, but to support the channel, if you want to see more, just leave a like. Subscribe if you want to, actually. It really helps the channel. Without further ado, I'll catch you guys later. How the fuck do I stop this recording?